If your Facebook ads are appearing extremely weird on the feed, you have found the right video that is going to show you the exact solution on how to fix this. There's a bunch of things that these Advantage Plus creative enhancements can ruin about your ads, and there's one big tip that everyone is missing that I had to contact Facebook customer service to figure out about this feature that needs to be turned off. So if that sounds great to you, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, hit the like button, because this is a very important video that no one else is talking about online. I'm about to save your ad accounts. So the first way we're going to talk about is the Advantage Plus creative enhancements. So you're going to want to go to one of your ads, scroll down, related media right here. This is something that it likes to try to grab other posts that you've posted on your page organically or other ads that you've run, and sometimes it will auto apply those images. So make sure related media is always completely cleared out, and then that is a 0. That would display an ad that you didn't even create or want to run as one. So that's one of the ways that it could be appearing weird. Furthermore, when you come in here, you're going to want to make sure video touch-ups is off, text improvements is off, adapt multi-image is off. All of these are off. Even show highlights, I found that I kind of want to turn off now too, because it really does not know how to do chapters on your video. That's kind of a weird thing. I would only do this if it was like a 2-minute plus video and required chapters. I'm also going to turn off show summaries. Relevant comments is about one of the only ones that you want to keep on. Enhanced CTA, I've gone back and forth on this, but even that should probably be off. When in doubt, just turn it off. All right, a bunch of these, it will show you an example or a preview of it, and you can simply look at it, and if it looks good, you can leave it on. But when in doubt, just turn it off, because these are all the things that can make your ad look weird. Now, a lot of you probably already knew that, but the thing that you didn't know is that if you go to advertising settings right here, and then you go down to creative features, and then you see this test new creative features, this account is not eligible because this one doesn't spend enough money. But on my clients that do spend a lot more money, you will see that this is likely turned on. And if this is turned on, that will mean that it will treat all of your Advantage Plus creative enhancement selections as a suggestion. So it actually will turn on visual touch-ups if it wants to, and it will turn on ad animation, it will turn on ad overlays. These absolutely terrible things that completely wreck your ads and make them make no sense, and also hurt your branding, that people are seeing these very weird ads from you over and over. I was trying to figure this out. I've had 2 clients that have had the weirdest ads appearing across my feed every once in a while. I go in, I try to fix them. I can see that visual touch-ups, ad overlays, flex media, those are the 3 worst ones when you are launching an image that always need to be turned off, but they kept turning them back on. Text improvements is the other one that is absolutely terrible, and I kept seeing ads that were the weirdest thing that you've ever seen, and it's like no one's buying from this company from this ad, and they might even write this company off in their minds because they're like, this is just unprofessional, this is weird, and they don't know that it's Facebook that's creating these weird ads. It thinks it's the advertiser. So the AI features have really gone crazy. Silicon Valley is full of these tech nerds that are trying to make features that are way too reliant on AI and thinking AI is so smart and it can do everything for us, but it really does not understand human psychology, and that is something that you're going to really want to cling on to yourself and your own knowledge and your own experience to really have that final say in how an ad looks. When you turn on AI and you let it just do its thing, it makes really terrible decisions. So that's what I got for you in this video. Make sure you go to advertising settings, new creative features, make sure this thing is off. Make sure you have pretty much all of the Advantage Plus creative enhancements off. If you want to know more about what every single one of them does, I do have another video on my channel that explains them, but when in doubt, just make sure you turn it off. Relevant comments is really the only one that will never mess up your ads, but beyond that, make sure you also go to socialbamboo.com, check out my brand new free meta ads training library, extensive videos with blogs and all of my trainings all in one spot, easy to search for, all laid out in a nice way. So make sure you go check that out and subscribe to the channel so you can get other updates like this that you're just not going to see on other channels. I'm really in the trenches, and I'm always giving you real original information based on extensive data. I'm not just regurgitating what the top YouTube channels are saying so I can make another video that just sounds the the same like everyone else. So if that sounds good to you, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.